Hello buddy kitty. In this video, I will teach you sentence to be learned by using verbs. So what is verbs? A verb is a word that shows an action or a state of being. It's something you do or something that happens. It is called as verb. So now let us learn some of the verbs that help us to frame the sentence, and let us learn it. How does the verb help us to frame the sentence, and let us learn it. We should always. So which verb is used? Drink. So drink is a verb in this sentence. Pure water. Children love to. Which verb is used? Eat. So eat is a verb. Fetch bread. Tom, which verb is used? Climbs. So climb is a verb. A tree. The bell, which verb is used? Rings. So ring is a verb. Those children, which verb is used? Speak. So speak is a verb. English. Stars. Which verb is used? Twinkle. So twinkle is a verb. At night. Kings. Which verb is used? Leave. Leave is a verb. In palace. The sun. Which verb is used? Rises. So rises is a verb. In the east. The earth. Which verb is used? Moves. Moves is a verb. Round the sun. The sun. Which verb is used? Sets. So sets is a verbs used. In the west. So drink, eat, climbs, rings, speak, twinkle, live, rise, move, sets. So these are the verbs used in this sentence.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.